Dear student, welcome to one of the important subject of introductory biology. The course code of this subject is AGRI 1007. Today's class we will discuss about cell and its function. Objective to study about cell and its different organelles. Structure of cell. If we study a cell under microscope, we would come across three features in almost every cell: plasma membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. All activities inside the cell and interaction of the cell with its environments are possible due to these features. First is plasma membrane, second is nucleus, third is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm further divided into cystosol and cell organelles. Then we have further classified endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, plastids, centrosomes, and cytoskeleton. Plasma membrane. If you will see the image, there is described or labeled carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Extremely delicate, thin, elastic, living and semi-permeable membrane made up of two layers of lipid molecule in which protein molecules are floating. Thickness varies from 75 to 100. Can be observed under an electron microscope. Function: it maintains shape and size of the cell, protects internal content of the cell, regulates entry and exit of substances and in and out of the cell. It maintains homeostasis. Cell wall. In cell wall, there is image is also here. You will see pectins is also there, cellulose is also there, hemicellulose is also there, and plasma membrane. Cell wall, that is non-living and outermost covering of a cell, that is plants and bacteria, can be tough, rigid, and sometimes flexible, made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectins. It may be thin or thick, multi-layer structure. Thickness varies from 50 to 1000. Function of cell wall: it provides definite shape, strength and rigidity, prevent drying up, desiccation of cells, helps in controlling cell expansion, protect a cell from external pathogens. Nucleus. It is dense spherical body located near the center of cell. Diameter varies from 10 to 25 micrometer, present in all the cell except red blood cells and side tube cells. Well developed in plant and animal cell. Undeveloped in bacteria and blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria. Most of the cells are uninucleated, having only one nucleus. Few types of cells have more than one nucleus, that is skeletal muscle cells. Now nucleus. Nucleus has a double layered covering called nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane has pores or diameter about 80 to 100 nanometer, colorless, dense shape present inside the nucleus known as nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm contains round-shaped nucleus and network of chromatin fibers. Fibers are composed of deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and protein histone. These fibers condense to form chromosome during cell division. Nucleus. Chromosomes contain structures of DNA called genes. Genes transfer the heredity information from one generation to next. Its function: control all the cell's activities like metabolism, protein synthesis, growth and cell division. Nucleus synthesize ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, to constitute ribosomes. store hereditary information in genes. Cytoplasm, jelly-like material formed by 80% of water, present between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. It contains a clear liquid protein portion called cytosol and various particles. Uh, Particles are proteins, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, lipids, and inorganic ions. Also contain many organelles with distinct structure and function. Some of these organelles are visible only under an electron microscope, granular and dense in animal cells and thin in plant cells. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of tubular and vesicular structure which are interconnected with one another. Some parts are connected to the nuclear membrane while others are connected to the cell membrane. Two types are endoplasmic reticulum, that is smooth and rough. Smooth, that is lacks ribosomes, and rough, that is studded with ribosomes. Function of endoplasmic reticulum gives internal support to the cytoplasm. RER synthesize secretory proteins and membrane protein. SER synthesize lipids for cell membrane. In liver cells, SER detoxify drugs and poison. In muscle cells, SER store calcium ions. Golgi body, discovered by Camillo Golgi, formed by stacks of 5 to 8 membranous sacs. Sacs are generally flattened and are called the cisternae. Uh, has two ends, cis face situated near the endoplasmic reticulum and transphase situated near the cell membrane. Function of Golgi body. It modifies, sorts, and packs material synthesized in the cell, delivers synthesized materials to various targets inside the cell and outside the cell. It produces vacuoles and secretory vesicles, forms plasma membrane and lysosomes. Next is lysosomes, small, spherical, single membrane sac found throughout the cytoplasm, filled with hydrolytic enzyme, occurs in most animal cells and in few type of plant cells. Function of lysosomes helps in digesting of large molecules, protect cell by destroying foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses, degradation of warm out organelles in dead cells, perform autolysis. Vacuoles, single membrane sac filled with liquid or sap, water, sugar, and ions. In animal cell, vacuoles are temporary, small in size, and few in number. In plant cell, vacuoles are large and more in number, may be contractical or non-contractical. Function: store various substances including waste products, maintain osmotic pressure of the cell, store food particles in amoeba cells, provide turgidity and rigidity to plant cell. Mitochondria, small rod-shaped organelles bounded by two membranes, that is inner and outer. Outer membrane is smooth and encloses the content of mitochondria. Inner membrane is folded in the form of self-like inward projection called cristae. Inner cavity is filled with matrix which contains many enzymes. It contains their own DNA which are responsible for many enzymatic actions. Function of mitochondria: synthesize energy, rich compound ATP. ATP molecule provide energy for vital activity of living cells. Plastids. Plastids are divided in three sections like chromoplast, chloroplast, leucoplast, elioplast, amyloplast, and proteoplast. Plasts are double membrane bound organelles found inside plants and some algae. They are responsible for activities related to making and storing food. They often contain different types of pigments that can change the color of the cell. Chromoplast. Chromoplasts are plastids that produce and store pigments. They are responsible for different color found in leaves, fruits, flowers, and vegetables. If you will see in the image, there is a carrot. Carrot is in this color because of the pigment carotene. If you will see the mango, mango is yellow because of pigment xanthophyll. Tomato is red because of pigment lycopene. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids that store food. They are found in storage organs such as fruits, tubers, and seed. If you will see the image, potato tuber, it is the food of source of starch. Maize grain, food the protein. Castor seed, food is the oil. So chloroplast, double membrane bound organelles found mainly in plant cells, generally spherical or discoidal in shape. So two distinct regions, grana and stroma. Grana are stack of thylakoid, that is membrane bound flattened discs. Thylakoid contain chlorophyll molecule which are responsible for photosynthesis. Stroma is a colorless dense fluid. The function of chloroplast convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of food. It provides green color to leaves, stems, and vegetables. To centrosome. Centrosome is the membrane-bound organelle present near the nucleus, consists of two structures called centrioles. Centrioles are hollow cylindrical structure made of microtubules. Centrioles are arranged at right angles to each other. The function of centrosomes form spindle fiber which help in the movement of chromosome during cell division, help in the formation of cilia and flagella. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton is formed by microtubules and microfilaments. Microtubules are hollow tubules made up of protein called tubulin. Microfilaments are rod-shaped thin filaments made up of protein called actin. The function of cytoskeleton are it determines the shape of the cell, give structural strength to the cell, responsible for cellular movement. Next is the difference between the animal and plant cell. Animal cell generally small in size, but in plant cell it is large in size. Cell wall is absent, but in plant cell it is present. Plastids are absent in animal cell, but in the plant cell plastids are present. Vacuoles are smaller in size and less in number in animal cell, but in plant cell, vacuoles are larger in size and more in number. Centrioles are present in animal cell, but in plant cell, centrioles are absent. Uh, Practice question. Dear students, these are the few questions they mostly ask. What are the five main functions of a cell? What are the five cell structure? What are the two types of cell? What are the basic structure of cell? What are the two major type of cell design? These are the few references which will be helpful for your study. A link is also given here. You can take these books and get knowledge. Thank you very much.